Hi, welcome to Virt-U. We are so glad you're here because, dudes, yeah, we have problems. We have all kinds of problems. And we're hoping that you'll be able to, actually, Virt-U isn't a real university. And the dudes, we put those voices in later, along with the bells and the birds. So what is Virt-U? Virt-U is a virtual video world comprised of the campus and the nearby city. And we are all having problems. All kinds of people, all kinds of problems. And those problems have been captured on video and gathered here at Virt-University. Our problems are never explicitly stated. In fact, sometimes we can't even figure out what they are. And so it's up to you to carefully observe and listen to our problems and try to figure out what they are, and then build your creative thinking skills by coming up with innovative solutions to help us solve them. The campus is composed of 3 colleges. The Creativity College highlights individuals and companies whose problems are just waiting for integrative, innovative computing, web, and mobile solutions. The Coding College contains topic-based videos to help you better understand coding, as well as videos containing problems on which to practice requirements analysis, algorithm design, and even implementation. And the Coaching College focuses on practical professional problems. You can use the videos at Virt-University and their associated discussion questions on your own to build creative and innovative problem-solving skills. Or you can do it with friends or virtual friends. And if you're a teacher, you can use them in your classroom and beyond for building communication skills, building critical listening skills, and group exercises that help students appreciate the diversity that other viewpoints bring to the creative problem-solving process. By working with the videos at Virt-University, you'll get lots of experience in coming up with innovative solutions to problems. Plus, you'll get lots of experience in figuring out what those problems are in the first place. And while Virt-University may not be a real university, I am a real computer science professor. And those are my real students. So why are we doing this? Because we know that the more practice you get at creative thinking and innovative problem solving in our world, the better you'll be at creative thinking and innovative problem solving in your world. So come and visit us at Virt-U and let our problems be your problems.